What's get you guys? Welcome to Kitchen Poems. This is a quick potato curry recipe which just requires half an hour of your time to cook. Here, I've taken 6 cleanly washed potatoes. I have slit them into half in a pressure cooker to have just one whistle to cook it. Along with this, I've finely chopped essential veggies. They are 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, and this is 2 tablespoons of gram flour basin, and 5 green chilies and 10 garlic pearls. Now I've taken a pan and trying to dry roast the gram flour for 5 minutes in the low flame. After that, turn off the flame and transfer the mixture to a bowl. This dish needs very few ingredients. Here, from left to right, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, salt, and some cumin seeds. Now, I'm taking 4 teaspoons of refined oil in a pan. Once you feel oil is heated enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. In some time, mustards will sputter. Now you can add green chilies and garlic. After half a minute, you can add onions as well. Mix it well for 2 minutes and then add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep frying in a medium flame for another 5 minutes so that the onions will lose its raw flavor. Now it's the time to add those juicy tomatoes along with some salt. This can be fried for another 5 minutes, and it's the time to add those peeled potatoes. Mix it well for a minute or two, then add 2 cups of water. Let it boil a little. By then we can mix some water in the gram flour. If you don't mix water in the gram flour, there might be a chance that you'll find lumps of gram flour while eating the curry. Once the water is mixed, you can transfer the water and gram flour mixture in the gravy. Add some more salt according to your taste buds. Just keep in mind that you might have added salt while frying the veggies. Some lemon juice. And with some coriander leaves, our quick potato curry is ready in Kitchen Poems.